Hello students, in today's class we are going to begin the third unit of marketing management, that is marketing mix. In this unit we will be learning what is marketing mix and what are the elements are there in the marketing mix. And all those elements we will be learning in detail in this unit. But before that, first let us understand what is marketing mix. Marketing mix is the combination of product offerings used to reach the target markets of the organization. So it is a combination made by the marketer to reach the target markets. Okay, it is an optimum combination of all marketing ingredients that help the company to achieve their goals or objectives. In other words, marketing mix refers to the offer made by the marketing firm to its target customers. And the offer includes product, price, promotion, and physical distribution of goods and services. Or marketing mix is the process of designing and integrating various elements of marketing in a such a way to ensure the achievement of enterprise's objectives. So in marketing there are various elements. Okay, so with the help of these elements, marketer prepares or they design all those elements or they integrate all those elements in a such a way that combination will help the organization to ensure that they can achieve the organization's target or organization's goals. Okay, so let us understand the definition of marketing mix given by the Philip Kotler. According to Philip Kotler, marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the sought level of sales in the target market. Which means that according to him, marketing mix is what? Mixture of controllable marketing variable. There are various marketing variable in the marketing mix. They take the mixture or combination of controllable marketing variable which firm may uses or the marketing firm uses that a combination or mixture of controllable variable which help the organization to achieve their target sales. There are, as I said, various variable in the marketing. Those variables are called as what? Elements in the marketing mix. Okay, so variables of marketing is also called as elements of marketing or 4Ps of marketing mix. In marketing mix, we take into consideration 4 elements, and those 4 elements are called as 4Ps of marketing mix. Very important from exam point of view. Now, which are those 4Ps or 4 elements in the marketing mix? So, according to this definition, according to Philip Kotler definition, marketing mix is the mixture or combination of all these 4 marketing variables which marketing firm has uses to achieve the target sales. Okay, and which all those elements? The first one is product mix, second one price mix, third one place mix, and the fourth one is promotion mix. Okay, in product mix, it is the thing possessing utility. It is the sum total of physical and psychological satisfaction it provides to the buyer is called as what? Product. Okay, and the product mix is the composite of the products offered for sale by the firm, and it includes product range, brand, package, etc. Okay, so product is what? It is the sum total of physical and psychological satisfaction it provides to the buyer, whereas product mix is the composite of products offered for the sale by the firm, and it includes what? Product range, brand, package, etc. The next one is price mix. Price is the value of the product expressed in terms of money. It is the valuation placed upon the product by the offered and takes into account the consumer expectation, that is discount, allowances, terms of credit, etc. And the third element is place mix. Place mix is also called as distribution mix or place and distribution mix. Place mix stands for the smooth flow of goods from the producers to the consumers. As we know that only producing the goods is not important. We have to make sure that those goods will reach to the consumer, and this is possible with the help of place mix. So the place mix stands for the smooth flow of goods from the producers to the consumers, and it includes channel of distribution and physical supply. And the last one is promotion mix. Promotion is the pervasive communication about the product by the offer to the prospect, and it comprise two form of communication: personal communication and impersonal communication. In personal communication, it includes personal selling or direct selling, and in impersonal communication includes advertising, sales promotion, public relations, etc. It is a way to communicate with the customer. So we can communicate with the customer with a two-way. First one is personal communication and second one is impersonal communication. So these are the 4 P's or 4 elements in the marketing mix. But some marketing experts indicate 7 ingredients or variables in the formula of marketing mix. And these additional ingredients are packaging of the goods and services, the perception and persistence. So in all there are 7 P's of marketing mix. So these are the additional P's in the marketing mix. So the 4 P's are this: product, place, price and promotion, and additional P's are packing, perception and persistence. Okay, so in all how many P's we have in marketing mix? We have 7 P's in marketing mix. There are various factors may affect the marketing mix. Okay, so which all those factors while preparing the marketing mix or while preparing the combination of all those elements or all those 4 P's of marketing mix, marketer come across various factors or these combination affected by the various factors. The first one is consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is affected. Consumer behavior have direct influence on the marketing mix because marketing mix is affected by number of factors of consumer such as education, income of the consumer, age group, occupation, attitude of the consumer, beliefs, value, etc. So we have seen in the consumer behavior like how consumer behavior is affect to the sales of the product and services. So we have to take into the consideration the consumer behavior and consumer behavior while preparing the marketing mix. The next one is competition. Marketing mix affects both demand and the price of the product. So what is the level of competition in the market will be affected in the marketing mix. The next one is trade factors. These factors are channels of distribution, trade particles, then motives and service provided by the intermediaries. Next one, government policies. Government policies relating to direct and indirect taxes, foreign exchange are to be considered in preparing the marketing mix. And along with this, there are so many government policies which may have the impact on the marketing activities. So before we prepare the marketing mix, we need to take into the consideration the government policies. Next one, branding. The company has to take a decision with regard to the brand policies, brand promotion and trademark. And the next one is personal selling. It is the most important factor on the formulation of marketing mix. So the marketer need to give more attention for personal selling while preparing the marketing mix. And the last one is advertisement. Advertising strategy, what kind of advertising strategy the company wanted to have. Then media methods, cost may incurred on advertisement. So all these are important factors which may affect the marketing mix. Okay, so the marketer need to take into the consideration all these factors while preparing the marketing mix for the company or for the organization. Okay, in the next class we will be learning all those elements. We are going to begin with the product elements. We are going to understand what is product, how the product will be developed, what are the stages in the product. Okay, I hope you understood what is marketing mix and what are the elements are there in the marketing mix. Okay, so marketing mix is what? Marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the target sales. Okay, and those marketing variables are also called as what? Elements or 4 P's of marketing mix. So there are total 4 P's in the marketing mix. First one is product, second one is price, third one is place, and fourth one is promotion. Along with these 4 elements, there are 3 more elements or 3 more additional ingredients in the marketing mix. The first one that is packaging, perception, and persistence. So in all, how many P's we have in marketing mix? We have 7 P's in the marketing mix. Okay, and these are the factors which may affect in the marketing mix. Okay, thank you.